Hi guys, welcome back. Thank you so much for tuning in. In this channel, we share methods on how to make money online. We also share remote jobs. So if you find this type of content interesting, do consider subscribing and turning on the post notification bell so you're notified every time I drop a new video. So today's plug is 100% remote and available worldwide. It doesn't require any experience. You just get paid for your own opinion. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. This is how the website looks like, and the name of the platform is User Interviews. So right here it says we connect researchers and participants, get fast access to quality participant, or earn money by participating in studies. So to get started, you will click on sign up for free and then you land on this page wherever you get your account created, but you are going to sign in as a participant. To register, you are going to need your email address, your phone number, and create a password, then confirm that you are not a robot. Then once your profile is created, you are going to start applying for studies and then confirm your time slot. Now let's go check available studies. So up here it said paid research studies. Top companies want your feedback. Make money participating in user research studies and help influence the product and services of tomorrow. Participating is fun and easy. Give your opinion on new product ideas and prototypes, test an app or website, or simply talk about your life experiences. Apply to studies below and we'll send you more paid study opportunities. So as you can see guys, they have so many studies here. So the first one is software for general contractor. So they are gonna pay you $50 an hour. It's a one-on-one interview. All you need is a computer with webcam. So if you're interested, you're just gonna go click on apply. And then the next one is, let's say, interested in getting your online master's degrees, we want to talk to you. So if you're someone who's planning or who's interested in getting an online degree, so they want your opinion and they are gonna pay you $150 and an hour 30 minutes. So the requirements are still the same as the one on top. You need a computer with a webcam. This one is a paid online focus group. They say we're looking for feedback on social issues in Kansas. This is a half-day online study on Tuesday, June the 20th from 11 to 2:30 p.m. And you'll be paid $150 in 3 hours. It's a 3 hours and 30 minutes study, and you will be paid $150. This one is very much interesting. They want to hear about your food habits, and they say it's a multi-day study and it's still online and you need a computer with a webcam, and they're gonna pay you $150 a week. that's it from me, guys, and thank you so much for staying out to this far. Go ahead and apply for this position. And also, guys, please support this channel by subscribing and turning on the post notifications so you are notified every time I post a new video. I will see you on the next one. Bye.